In the latest release of NXCAM, there is now additional support for user-defined and inherited planes within the 3D adaptive and quick roughing operations. Next, we're going to look at the new clearance plane types found within 3D adaptive roughing and quick roughing operations. In this example part file, we have 4 operations listed here with various clearance types. First one being the inherited. We're going to inherit a clearance plane from the MCS. The automatic plane, inside the operation we'll choose an automatic plane. A user-defined plane for within the operation, as well as an inherited clearance type which is unsupported. Opening our first operation, we're going to want to navigate to the non-cutting moves traverse node. Inside of here you'll see the clearance options with the new plane types. Using inherited is going to pull from the MCS, and you can see the plane visible here was actually created inside of our geometry. Inside the MCS mill is where the plane was constructed, which is what you see inside of the operation. The automatic plane type is defined by a safe clearance distance. So if I display here, you see my plane is up by 0.08 inches. If I change that to 1.5 inches, my clearance and retracts have risen to that new level. Next, looking at the user-defined type, you can see we have the option to choose plane. Inside of here you have a plane constructor, which I may choose from my top face. I may adjust the distance as I please. Lastly, let's look at the inherited type with an unsupported clearance type. Navigating back to my geometry view, you see this is under MCS unsupported. The clearance type that I chose here is sphere. 10-inch radius along my part. What we do in this case, if you're using the use inherited, we will revert back to the automatic plane type. Unsupported clearance plane type was inherited. Automatic clearance plane was used for the toolpath generation. See, all my toolpath is collision free using that new inherited type.